the bells. Hey everyone, it's Stu here from 3B, and today I'm going to be talking a little bit about why your Atmos is possibly not working as well as you think it may be. Now, I've had quite a lot of AVR amps, and this specifically does relate to AVR amps. Ones that predominantly use a calibration microphone that you place in the room and then move around whilst the amp sends out sound bursts to then measure distances, automatically adjust the frequency ranges and so on. Well, I've found, and I've had quite a few, I've had Yamaha, Onkyo, and then currently Denon. I've had two Denons, and Pioneer. I had Pioneer ages ago, but I've found since Atmos has come along in the last sort of 2-3 years, the auto calibration of Atmos within those has been somewhat lacking. And when I've listened to an Atmos movie, I've thought, well, where's the Atmos-y stuff? Where's the whooshy woozy placement of the soundy woundy stuff? And it took me a while to sort of figure it out. And, you know, I would recalibrate. I would think, well, you know, it's doing all this automatically, so it must be okay. And what I've found, now again, this is personal taste, but what I've found is that the auto calibration, certainly on what I've found with Denon, is on the Atmos front, on the height speakers. I've got, as you can see, there's possibly one just in that corner, but there's another one, fingers over there, and another one up here, and another one over there. All those height speakers are simply not loud enough. And so what I did, if you have the same thing where you think, well, this Atmos isn't as great and as you know, well placed as it seems, what I have done, or what I did, is I went into the manual settings of the speakers instead of going automatic calibration. So I recommend still calibrating, so calibrate first, and then go in the manual settings for those speakers, and then just up maybe 2 decibels on the Atmos speakers. And then what I found, again, do it to taste, but what I found is that the Atmos sound, it became really well blended. It became a thing. It's sort of, for a long time I thought, well, this Atmos is okay, but I'm not really getting a lot. I'm not getting any of this feeling of space or placement. But as soon as I went into the manual settings and in the Atmos speakers, in the height speakers, I just adjusted them by a couple of decibels up, I noticed a real difference. So if you've got a surround sound system and your AVR amp is calibrated with the microphone, and you're feeling that the Atmos is not really giving you as much atmosphere as you would hope, that's what I would recommend. Go in the calibrate it first with the microphone, then go in the manual settings for the speakers and just up those Atmos speakers up by a couple of decibels, and you will notice a world of difference. It will blend more with the other speakers. You may have to just up those down or up a bit, but fiddle with it. But the concentration is on the Atmos, just up in those a little bit with a couple of decibels, no more, and you will find that everything just sounds that little bit more connected, that little bit more placed, that little bit more sort of, wow, this is what I hoped it would be. So I hope that's been useful. If you've got any tips of your own, put them in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not already. And of course, always click the bell. Always click the bell. Oh, the bells. Thanks again. Catch you next time.